stays inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come on, mate, she believes that fate is something I never know before.
Like the holy fat.
Wait lang.